field, but I need you to come out to the truck so you can see what I do. That way you'll know what's going on. Come around this way. The point I'm trying to make with all of this, that exhaust manifold, the turbo, the EGR cooler, they all have seals and gaskets on them, okay? They go bad, it'll come right inside the truck. With this right here, I'll show you real quick how it does it. Right here. You can smell that, right? So you know exactly what it smells like. Put it right there. Now we're pulling out the antifreeze and using off the cool off the exhaust to burn back to the engine. Alright? It goes like benzene, formaldehyde, all kinds of shit down there. Alright? That EGR cooler is down there with the seals on and everything. It'll let loose. Come right up inside the truck. This fresh air intake, the sinus up here. Even though the hood is closing, you can see the soot. Come around this way. See that soot up there? It has the seal mark. From the edge of the curve, the edge of the hood. Okay, go ahead and fire it up. You don't have to run here. Start the truck up. Turn your fans on high. You don't have to have it on air. Okay, you got the fresh air intake on. There should be no light on. I can fresh air.
Smell that already.
The right one, right there. Is that light on? Turn it off. Now you got fresh air coming inside the truck. Now you turn around, you got the fans on, right? You close the door. Yeah. What? Yeah, I already start smelling. What year is this truck? 2015? Now, you're giving me permission to be able to put this on our website, right? We're not disclosing your name or anything or your company name. We're just wanting you to be a witness of that. That business card that I gave you on that card right there, look at that website. You can find out a whole lot of information, a lot of videos on it. Well, you get burning eyes, headaches? Yeah. Okay, you got to come over here so you get better. But you said you're getting burning eyes and headaches? How about when you go home, though? You tired and everything when you go home? Okay. How about the film on your windshield? You get a lot of that? And when you go to clean your truck, you get like black on your rag? That's from all that soot. But also that filter on that firewall doesn't stop particular matter. Okay, that filter that's on the firewall that they have to change every 30 days or 90 days or whatever, all it'll do is slow down dirt and dust. Okay, it doesn't stop. But this right here is an aroma. Okay, and it comes right through that filter. So that might be something you want to check out. If you're here longer, I have a CO reader that has 0 all the way up. We can do a test on your truck within 10 minutes sitting inside with my reader, and it'll start showing numbers if you're leaking CO. But the small levels of CO, it's not just that, it's the other toxins behind it. If you're getting CO, you're getting the other toxins. All right, those gaskets and everything, the engine runs so hot now that they don't hold up. And that's why they're leaking. And then there's an accordion exhaust on the other side. If you can get a crack that's underneath the hoodie or the underneath this truck, come right in at you. Myself and another trainee got injured by it last month. Okay, and I proved Volvo wrong. But like I said, this truck and 2 other major models got that fresh air intake design. It's dangerous. Okay? But like I said, you can smell this stuff coming right in, right? Is it real strong or no?